My name is Anushka. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Information Technology at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. In this video, I'm going to explain you about basic concepts of JavaScript, what is Node.js, how to install Node.js, and how to create a Telegram chatbot. Let's get started. Now we are going to discuss about JavaScript variables. Variables are containers used to store data values. JavaScript provides three ways to declare variables: var, let, and constant. Here is the basic program for variables. Now we are going to execute this code by we have to open new terminal and we have to execute node space variable .js, and we can see the program is executed successfully. And then now we are going to discuss about conditional statements. Conditional statements help you make decisions in code. The main types of conditional statements are if, else, and else if. Here is the basic program for conditional statements. Now we'll execute this code, node space conditional.js. Here we'll get the output. And now we are going to discuss about arrays. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. Elements are stored in an ordered list starting with index 0. Here is the simple program for arrays. Now we'll execute this program, node space arrays.js. Here we can see the output, first fruit apple and second fruit banana. Now we are going to discuss about loops. Loops help repeat code until a condition is met. Common types are for, while, and do while. Here is the basic program for loops. Now we'll execute this program, node space loops.js. Sorry, node space, loops.js. We can see the output here. And now we'll discuss about functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Here is the basic program for functions. Now we'll execute this code, node space functions.js. Here is the output. Hello, I am Anushka. And now we are going to discuss about objects. Objects store data as key value pairs. Each pair is called a property and each value can be any data type. Here is the simple program for objects. Now we are going to execute this program, node space objects.js. Here is the output. Here I given 5. So the number 5 is positive. And now we are going to discuss about callback functions. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function, common in events, timers, and APIs. Here is the basic program for functions. Now I'll execute this code, node space functions. Node space callback.js. Here is the output. Hello everyone. Hello Anushka, goodbye. Now we are going to discuss about what is Node.js. Node.js is a runtime environment that runs JavaScript outside the browser. It uses the V8 engine for high performance. It allows building server-side and back-end applications. It supports event-driven programming. You can run JavaScript files directly using the node command. Now we are going to install Node.js. For installing Node.js, we have to open Google Chrome and search for Node.js. Here we are going to search Node.js install. Here we can see the first link, download and install Node.js. Click on that link. Sorry, the network is too slow. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We'll reload it. We'll again install the Node.js because of the network issue. Okay, we'll get an interface like this, and here we can install Node.js for Windows. Go to the download and we can directly install Node.js by clicking this icon. I have already installed the Node.js. I'm just showing you for understanding. Now we are going to discuss about how to install packages in Node.js. Packages are external libraries that add extra features. Use the npm to install packages. Initialize your project using npm init-y. For installing packages, we have to open VS Code. Go to the terminal and open the new terminal. Here, for creating packages, we have to use two commands, so-called mkdir space telegram -nlp hyphen calculator -bot. By using this command, we can create. And there is another command also. I have already installed packages, so I'm just letting you know how to install packages. And the next command is cd space telegram -nlp hyphen calculator -bot. By using these two commands, we can get into the package. And next we have to initialize Node.js. For initializing, we have to use npm space init space -y. By using this command, we can initialize Node.js. Sorry. For install, we have to install dependencies. For installing dependencies, we have to use npm install node telegram bot api space node nlp. By using this, we can install dependencies. And now we are going to create a Telegram chatbot. For creating a Telegram chatbot, we have to open Google Chrome and go to the Telegram web. You have to use your mobile number for logging into Telegram web. And now we have to search for bot father. I have already searched for it. And now we have to use slash new bot for starting the chart. After that, you have to use any name of yours or anything and ending with a bot. After that, you will get a token, so-called like this API token. You have to download, copy this token, and I copied this token, and we have to use it in the VS Code. Open VS Code. We have to create a folder name bot.js file, bot.js file, and now we have to copy your token here as I shown, and then you have to run this code. I have written a code for prime or not. You can see to run this code you have to write node space filename.js. I have gave bot as a file. It have been run successfully and the output will be available in your Telegram page. Open your bot name, and then I have already discussed something here. I gave number 6 here and it is given 6 is not a prime, and then I gave 2 as a number. It given 2 is a prime number. By this we can create a Telegram chatbot. Thank you.